Hi, this is Dan, Jake, and Ryan, Four Oaks Family Homestead. Another beautiful, warm, sunny afternoon in Oklahoma. Just kidding.
I'm sweating to death.
It's 7 degrees outside. The winds are blowing at 30 miles an hour. We have near blizzard-like conditions. But yeah, great fun. Yeah, sure, Kika. Can't stop this, Kika, huh?
I didn't twist my ankle.
You didn't poop on your ankle?
What?
So, this summer, what are we going to turn this forest into?
Well, we're going to clear it out. It's going to be what the goats are munching on.
Yeah.
All this Arkansas briar is what we have to pull on out of here.
Yeah, they don't really come out.
How do you deticify it?
Deticify?
Yeah.
You put guinea fowl in here. The guineas will eat all the ticks.
So we're going to put like put some guinea fowl in here?
Yeah.
What? But they're also
Follow
going to
me,
be a
I'll
chicken
show
shack.
you the special
Pardon?
guinea fowl place.
Are we going to just let them loose in here?
Yes.
But then we're going to put them in the chicken shack too?
That's where they go at nighttime.
Okay, gotcha.
Come on.
All right, let's go.
This would be a good place to do some quad.
It would be. Once we clear out some trails, for sure. There's some good quad area over here.
We're there.
There, man. Why don't we go this way a little more? Let's go down the skunk trail.
Yeah, skunk trail.
Whoa.
Come on, Dad, do you need help?
You alright back there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Cool. Hey, Daddy.
Hey,
Watch
Ryan.
this.
What now?
Watch this.
Watch what?
Seriously?
Oh, don't do that. You're gonna end up with the dull in your knife, bro. Some serious thick undergrowth. You need to get a dozer out here.
Huh?
You need a dozer out here. The fence line goes all the way through there. It's kind of cool.
What's not cool is all the broken trees. This would be a kid's palace.
Kids Palace?
Yep, this is my palace. Welcome to my
Hey.
royal palace.
Coming on down.
It's filled with ticks and Arkansas briars.
What is it filled with?
Ticks and Arkansas briars.